How to reset the password of your Yahoo account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Yahoo account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and you can also do this from the Yahoo app on your mobile device. But for now, we'll simply do it through the browser. Now, once you're on any browser in the web address bar, simply type in yahoo.com. Now, you will be taken to the official homepage of Yahoo where you'll have to simply tap on the sign in option, which is right over here. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all enter either your username, your email, or your mobile number. So simply enter any one of these three. Now tap on the option next. After that, since we are here to reset our password as we don't remember them, we'll simply tap on the option forgot password. And then since my Yahoo uses my Google account, I can simply sign in using my Google account. So I'll simply tap on the option sign in with Google. After that, you will be directly logged into your Yahoo account. But since we are here to reset password, we'll simply change the password so that it will be easy logging in next time. So tap on the option settings. After that, go to account security. Now scroll down and then you can see the option password. Simply tap on the option change password. And now you'll have to create a new password for your account. So let me simply create a new password. After that, tap on the option continue. And there you have it. So that is basically how you change or reset the password of your Yahoo account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.